We'll guide you through how to enable or disable developer options on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So developer options basically give you access to more settings. They're extremely useful as a developer, but you may want to go and have access to them anyway, just because there are some useful settings in there. So we're going to guide you through this step by step on how you can either go and turn them on or turn them off if you no longer want them. Watch this full guide and don't skip anything, otherwise you may go and miss an important part. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and swipe up and we're going to go and find settings. As you can see here it is, tap on it to go and open it up. Now what you can do is go and scroll down. So the developer options is going to go and be the last option below about phone. If yours is currently on, you can tap on there and I'll show you turn them off in a moment, but for now I need to turn them on. So go and press about phone. Then what you need to do is you need to go and find the option for software information. And in here, you need to go and find build number. And you keep on tapping build number. When you tap it, it will start giving you how many taps away you are from becoming a developer. And I then need to go and enter in my PIN to go and confirm it. You can see developer mode has now been enabled. So what we can do is now come back and I'll scroll down and you'll see we've now got developer options. So we can tap on here to go and access them and you can scroll through and use the settings. If you want to go and turn them off, what you can do is go and press off like so. We'll press back and you'll see the option is no longer now appearing there.